core diff weather model is changing how we predict the weather in real time, which is huge for logistics and travel. Baidu's Ernie upgrade is making content creation smarter with enhanced reasoning and multimodal capabilities, essential for digital marketing. Amazon's Alexa Plus is evolving into a true personal assistant, managing your schedule, making Fiverr's AI revolution, empowering freelancers. Let's kick things off with Fiverr, which is leading the way in new upcoming AI technology. They just launched Fiverr Go, a platform that lets freelancers train their own AI model based on their unique work style. That means instead of AI replacing you, it's working for you. Micha Kaufman, Fiverr's CEO, calls it a pivotal moment where AI amplifies what makes each creator unique. And he's right. With AI doing the repetitive tasks, you can take on bigger projects without burning out. It's proof that AI innovation in 2025 is all about collaboration, not competition. If you enjoy this video, we kindly invite you to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Smarter AI agents with long-term memory. One of the biggest frustrations with AI, it forgets things way too fast. But now, we're seeing revolutionary AI breakthroughs like LangChain's LangMem SDK, Memobase, and A-MEM, tools that let AI remember details across multiple conversations. Imagine this. Your AI assistant remembers your client preferences, past projects, and even your favorite coffee order. It's a game changer for efficiency, making work feel smoother than ever. This is one of the latest advancements in AI that's quietly reshaping the way we interact with technology. Big model releases. Let's talk about the powerhouses of AI, OpenAI's GPT 4.5 and Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet. These models aren't just updates, they're setting the stage for AI breakthroughs in 2025. GPT 4.5 is smarter, faster, and reduces errors by nearly 37%. And Claude 3.7, it gives you the option to choose between fast, to-the-point responses or deep, thoughtful ones, perfect for coders, writers, and designers. If you're keeping up with artificial intelligence trends in 2025, these two models are must-know. If you enjoy this video, we kindly invite you to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Cutting-edge innovations, from weather forecasting to voice assistants. Some of the most exciting emerging AI technologies aren't just about chatbots and automation. They're transforming industries in unexpected ways. NVIDIA's core diff weather model is changing how we predict the weather in real time, which is huge for logistics and travel. Baidu's Ernie upgrade is making content creation smarter with enhanced reasoning and multimodal capabilities, essential for digital marketing. Amazon's Alexa Plus is evolving into a true personal assistant, managing your schedule, making reservations, and adapting to your preferences. These are just a few examples of cutting-edge technologies of 2025 that are shaping how we live and work. DeepSeek's game-changing cost efficiency. Not all AI breakthroughs come with $1 billion price tag. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI startup, is proving that top strategic tech trends for 2025 are about efficiency, not just power. While models like GPT-4 cost over $100 million to train, DeepSeek's latest AI only costs $5.6 million and runs on just 2,000 NVIDIA chips. That's a massive shift in AI development, proving that smaller, smarter models are the future. If you're keeping an eye on top tech trends for 2025, this is one to watch. What this means for small businesses and freelancers. So, what does all this mean for you? The rise of AI trends in 2025 means better decisions. AI tools like GPT 4.5 and Claude 3.7 provide deeper insights. More efficiency. AI takes care of routine tasks, freeing you to focus on creativity. A competitive edge. Those who adopt new AI developments in 2025 early will thrive. Lower costs, more efficient, means powerful tools at a fraction of the cost. These trends are proof that future technology trends are all about helping you work smarter, not harder. To wrap it up, Fiverr's AI is giving freelancers more control. AI memory is making virtual assistants smarter. GPT 4.5 and Claude 3.7 are setting new standards. And innovations like NVIDIA's Core Diff and Alexa Plus are changing everyday life. Plus, DeepSeek is proving that AI doesn't have to break the bank. What do you think? Are you excited about these latest advancements in artificial intelligence? Or do you have concerns about AI's rapid growth? Let's talk in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on top tech innovations of 2025 and beyond. See you next time. Stay curious and take care.